Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So you guys, today in this video we are going to be doing a shopping haul from TJ Maxx. I'm going to show you guys the things that I got to start organizing my pantry. I'm getting ready to make over my pantry and I want to get it organized, make it look a little neater. So I went to TJ Maxx and did a little shopping, and I found some clear containers that I can put stuff in, and they have labels on them so I can label it so I know what everything is. So when I go in, I can just look at it, grab it, and go, and it won't take forever to dig through or find anything. But before we get started with the haul, I want to just show you guys a little clip of my pantry and how it looks now. Okay guys, so this is my pantry. It's not, excuse my trash, I have to take it off. Mommy moment. But this is my pantry, and as you can see, it's not huge and it has literally no storage whatsoever. And it has these stupid wire racks that I hate because everything falls through it. But this is what it looks like so far. And these are a few things that I've already purchased. The cereal containers, they are airtight containers. They came from Walmart. I need to get 2 more of those. And then this came from TJ Maxx. It has, I put my sugar in it. And I think it holds up to 10 pounds, if I'm not mistaken, because I buy the 10-pound bag of sugar and it fills it all the way up. And then these came from Walmart as well. And I have to get some labels to label these so that I can just look at it and see what it says. Although I know what's in it, but I still want to just put labels on it to make them look a little neater and cleaner. But when I make it over, I'm going to get rid of these racks, and I want to get some, put shelves in that go all the way around the wall. And then on the down here, I want to get a cube organizer or something to put in down here, just to put maybe some baskets or something in that I can store like my paper towels and things like that. But yes guys, this is my pantry, and I will be doing videos to show you guys the process of the makeover. Just had my new flooring put in, so now I just have to paint it and get the new shelves in. All right guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the things that I got from TJ Maxx to organize the pantry. But before I do that, I do want to show you guys this little pot scrubber. It's in a mason jar, and if you remember from my previous videos, I'm doing my house and farm style, so I love the mason jar style. And so this looks like a little small mason jar. It just has a hole cut out in the front, and it has a little pot scrubber that comes with it. And it was only $3 from the Dollar General. And I have this sitting on my sink by my dish soap dispenser. But I just wanted to show you guys because I just love this. Okay, so first things first. This came from TJ Maxx. It's not for the pantry. It's for the, I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet. I don't know if I want to have it sitting on the counter or if I want to put it in the middle of the stove. But I want to get the wooden spoon set to put inside this and have it sitting probably on the counter. But it does have the utensil label on it. And it looks like, I'm not sure if you guys know what they are, but it looks like an old-time milk jug with the handles. And I just love it. I fell in love. It's so cute, and it already has a label, so I don't even have to put a label on it. And this was only $7.99 from TJ Maxx. And I am in love. Love it. Okay, next thing. Now, if you remember, I just showed you the huge jar that I have my sugar in. Well, I went back and found these. I have 2 of these. Gosh. 2 of these. They're from TJ Maxx. These are 60-ounce jars. They have the chalk label on them already, and it does come with a chalk pen inside, so you can write on the label whatever you put inside, and the top just pops on and off really easy. It doesn't twist or anything, it just pops off. And it says it is for rice, sugar, coffee, cereal, or cookies. And it matches the one I have my sugar in. And these were $4.99 a piece from TJ Maxx. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in them yet, but yeah. The next thing that we have is a glass jar, a medium glass jar. It is, how many ounces does it say? It does not say. Oh, 37 ounces. And this is what this one looks like. It does have a little design on it. And I did get 2 of these, and it has the metal top. It kind of matches the ones that I already have in the pantry. I have 2 of these as well, and these were $3.99. If you guys can see that, it's $3.99 a piece, and I grabbed 2 of these. And then the next thing that I have, these next things that I have, they didn't actually come from TJ Maxx. I actually found them in Dollar General, but they match the farmhouse style, and they kind of match these that I got from TJ Maxx. They're kind of similar, but not completely similar. And I did get them in 2 different sizes. This is the first one. It does come with the chalk pen to write on the label. It has the chalk label, but this label is a little bigger, and it has like a little different design, which I like. And this one, it has the wood top, and it just pops open like this. And it is airtight because, as you can see, it has a seal on the inside right here. So whenever you close it, it does keep the air out. So you can put foods in here that need to be sealed really tight. And this is a 54-ounce jar, and it did come again from Dollar General, and it was $4.50, and I grabbed 2 in this size here. And then I also grabbed the small ones. And these look exactly the same. They have the wood top again. They open and close the same. It comes with the chalk pen again. Same design on the front, the chalk label. This one, these are the 40.5 ounces jars. And they were $3.50 a piece. from Dollar General. And I just love the color of this top, the wood. It's really light. But yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to put in what jars yet. I haven't really decided. I guess I'm going to have to kind of play around with it once I start getting things going and moving. And but I am going to video. I don't know if I'm going to video me putting the things in the jars, or if I'm going to just video trying to get it organized in the pantry and deciding where to put what. But this is my haul so far, and I'm not completely done yet. I want to get some baskets to put in the pantry, maybe to put on the floor, or if I can get a cube organizer to go in there, so that there won't really be sitting on the floor. But I want to get the baskets to put my paper towels and my big things like that in it, to get them up off the floor. And also I want to, if I can find them, I saw them in TJ Maxx once when I was in there, but when I went back and got all this stuff, they didn't have any. But they had these long square containers. They were clear, because I'm trying to keep everything in clear containers if possible. But I just want those to put like the packs of noodles that the kids eat when they get home from school, or like the little bags of chips or prepackaged snacks or anything that I have in the pantry. I want to get some long square containers to put those in, preferably clear, but if not, then I'll have to get just some colored containers, I guess. I don't know, we'll have to figure that out. But this is my little haul from TJ Maxx for my pantry organization. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like it, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And let me know if there's any other type of videos you guys would like to see me do. But until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.